So hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So today we are back with our new tutorial, and today's editorial is from Educational Codeforces round 96, and we are discussing problem C of this contest. Name of the problem is numbers on whiteboard. Okay, so let's move on to the problem statement. The problem statement is numbers 1, 2, 3 till n, each integer 1 to n ones are written on a board. Okay, so the number from 1 to n are written on a board. In one operation you can choose, or you can erase any two number a and b from the board and write one integer a upon b round up instead. Okay, so we can choose any two number from the from all n elements, and we need to delete them, and we need to add first we need to add them and divide by 2, and then then one number will come, and the two numbers a and b, then we need to delete them. Okay, so if they are suppose they are odd, suppose we take 2 and 3, so their sum is equals to 5. So 5 upon 2, it will be 2.5. So round off of 2.5 will be 3. So we will take 3. Okay, so like this we have to do it, and you should perform the given operation n minus 1 time and make the resulting number that will be left on the board as small as possible. Okay, so we need to make it as small as possible. Okay, so and for example I don't need to tell, I will tell it here. Yeah, this much is the problem statement. Now let's move on to the solution part. Okay, so let me explain you what is the logic for this problem is. So the logic for this problem will be, suppose we have n is equals to 4. Okay, we are given an integer n and we have n is equals to 4 as told in this test case. So what we will do here is, we will take last two integers, add them and divide them by 2. Okay, so what we will do here is, we will take all the last two integers of the n. So the last two integers are 3 and 4, and we will add them. 3 plus 4, it will be equals to 7, and we need to divide them by 2. So 7 divided by 2 is equals to 4.5, sorry 3.5, and that will be round off will be 4. Okay, so we will get 4 here. So what we will do here is, we will get 4. So after this it will become 2, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, so like this we have to do. Now we will take 2 and 4. So if we will take 2 and 4, what we will it have? 2 plus 4 is equals to 6, and 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. So here it will come 3. Okay, 1 comma 3. Okay, so now at the last we will take 3 and 2, last two elements of that array we will take. Okay, we will make an array of n integers from 1 to n, and we will take the last two arrays of that number of that array, and we will we will add them, divide by 2, and we need to delete the both those numbers from the array, and we need to add this number. Okay, this will be pretty simple when I will show you the code. Okay, so 1 and 3 I will take. 1 plus 3, it will be equals to 4, and 4 divided by 2 is going to be 4 divided by 2 is going to be 2. Okay, here also 4 divided by 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3, and yeah, so this much is the logic for this problem. This was a very easy level problem. So let's move to the code now. Okay, so the code is here, guys. Let me maximize it. Okay, so this is the code. We will take an integer n, and we will input it, and we will take an integer temp, that will be a temporary variable, that will be also equals to n. Okay, so what we will do here is, and yeah, so one thing I left here is, guys, one thing I left here is that we need to print the changes that we have done here. Okay, so suppose in this case the changes we have done here is, suppose the answer will be here will be 2. Okay, so we have to print the changes also that we have taken. Suppose the changes in this case is 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4 and 1, 3. So we need to print them also. So here, like, I will print 3, 4, then 2, 4 and then 1, 3. Okay, so like this we have to print them. So we need to store these two integers in the array also, in another array. Okay, so first we need to print this and then we need to print this. Okay, so first we need to print the number, then we need to print that pair, so we need to store them. Okay, so let's now discuss the code now. Okay, let me do it here only so that you will be able to see the problem also. So problem, yeah, you can see now. So what we are doing here is we are taking two integers, n and temp. So we are inputting n. Temp will be equals to n as temporary variable. We will take a vector of size n and a pair of size n minus 1, because the numbers will be of n minus 1. Okay, because we are decrementing 2, so it will be n minus 1. The numbers will be n minus 1 in each case that we need to print. Okay, so yeah, and we'll take an integer I to iterate over the for loop. Okay, so yeah, this much is it. And yeah, so here we are inputting vector I is equals to 1, I is equals to 0, I is less than n, and we are inputting vi is equals to I plus 1. Okay, so I is equals to 0 and we are running a while loop till v dot size is greater than or equals to 1. Okay, so v dot size will be greater than 1 till there are 2 or more elements. Okay, so we need to make it 1 till the size, we have to make it till the size of the vector or the array is 1. Okay, so we need to make till then. So we will run a while loop there, and temp variable is equals to v dot size. Okay, and yeah, so temp variable is equals to v dot size, and I have taken an integer k that is equals to temp dot 2, means the second last element of the vector plus the last element of the vector. Okay, the last element of the vector plus second last element of the vector, as I have discussed here, these both will be the temp k, and I am adding these both in the pair also, pair array. And yeah, first will be temp dot second last element, and the second one will be the last element. Okay, and we are adding I so that the I will be incremented, and yeah, and we are deleting the both elements from the vector. And if the number that is k is divisible by n, then we divisible by 2, then we will divide it by 2 fully. Else what we will do here is we will divide it by 2 and we will add 1 to it as discussed. Okay, so now we will print the last and the only and the last element of the vector, and then we will print the, okay, this will not be visible, yeah, and then what we will do here is we will print till n minus 1. We will run a loop and we will print the first and the second element that are present in the pair. Okay, as we have added here, when we are adding these both, we are adding putting these both elements in the pair of each ith position. Okay, so this much is the code for this, guys, and thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Why are you not subscribing? Subscribe it. I will be posting the solution for A and B also. So thanks for watching, guys. Meet you guys next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to like also, guys. Like it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.